Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up business email on Hostinger. So first of all, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Then go to the email section. Navigate to the email. Navigate to the email account, right? And under the email or hosting tab, and then create a new email, right? And basically, once you create a new email and enter your desired email address, and then set a strong password, configure the mailbox size if applicable, right? Select the mailbox size if prompted, and then basically you need save the changes, right? And then you're gonna be able to access the email. You can access your email through the webmail option, or set it up in an email client using provided IMAP or SMTP settings. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.